What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $80 an hour watching Twitch videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm discussing today. Now, I want to say one more thing before I get into this method. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. Once I get there, I'm going to do a giveaway, probably give away free money over there. And speaking of free money, I am giving away free money to a lucky person. Matter of fact, 2 lucky people when I reach 5,000 subscribers, as you heard at the beginning of this video. So please put down that code word when you see it pop up on the screen, so you can get a chance to win that free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you need to take to earn this $80 per hour. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the Twitch website and show you this method. Let's grind, and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I went ahead and went to twitch.tv, and when I went there, I went ahead and clicked on browse, and it took me to some categories. And what you're going to do is look for very popular gaming videos, and the one I picked is right here, is Call of Duty. And as you can see, they have 8.6 million followers. And here are the videos right here. So they got a lot of videos. And what I'm going to do is pick one of these videos, any video you want to on here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And as you can see here, see it's a person right here playing a Call of Duty game. And what you're going to do is click on share. So go ahead and click copy the URL. And what we're going to do is go to this other website where we're going to make the money for watching videos, or watching Twitch videos. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is cpmlink.net. So this is the site where you're going to earn money. So it's a link shortener site. So the link you get, you're going to come over here, click right here where it says link shortener, and you're going to put the link right in there, and it's going to shorten it when you hit submit. And you're going to use that link and take it to this other site which I'm going to show you in a minute, that's going to get you a lot of views. And this site, people are going to flock to your link. Now, before I go over there, I want to show you the payout rates. So you're going to click right here where it says payout rates. I don't know why this is right there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now here's the payout rates. So for every 1,000 views, this is how much you're going to earn. And they have all different countries. So for everybody out there that's in different countries that always say that this site or this app doesn't work in my country, this will work in your country because it's paying to countries all around the world. So look, Kuwait, $5.15. Now they're going to be in dollars, US dollars. So, but you know, you can convert your money to wherever you live at, to your money in your country. So, matter of fact, Kuwait, if you're in Kuwait, you're going to make a lot of money for 1,000 views. Well, that's the highest, $5.15. The next one is Canada, $4.50. Sweden, Australia. Now for you people here in the United States, it's only $1.06. But Twitch is a lot of people from the United States is on Twitch, so you're going to get a lot of views, you know. So look at all these countries all around the world, all the countries, guys. So you really can't tell me, hey, this doesn't work in my country, because it should. Now, let me go to this website. I'm going to show you where you're going to get all the views so you can cash out from this site right here. Now, let me go over there right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Gamespot. So this is where all the gamers go. Get this off my screen. This is where all the gamers go to check out new games or try to learn how to master certain games, because they have forums and everything that people can talk to each other. So when you come here, you're going to go to forums and you're going to go to games discussion. And it's going to take you to the next page. All right, so here's the discussion page. And as you can see, they're discussing anything about games. So you got a lot of posts here. You got this one got 1,300 posts. This one got 300. This one got 12,000 posts. So you know that's a lot of people there checking out these posts. So what you're going to do, you can go to one of these posts. Let's go to this one. And when you go here, you know, you can just read some things what people are saying. And you'll be able to go ahead and post something also. So you can go here and post your link along with these words to get people to click on your link, which is, and see, you got to be signed up to a post, so I can't really write nothing on here. But what you're going to do, let me show you the script that you're going to type on here to get people to check out your link. So let me show you that right about now. Okay, guys, here's the script. So what you're going to do is say, do you want to up your gameplay? Click on this video link, and you'll put the video link right there. And they're going to click on it, guys, because everybody on this website and in this forum, game discussion forum, trying to get better at their gameplay. So they're going to check it out. You know, it's real simple.
Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing. I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. And on that podcast, I talk about tips, strategies, and habits on how to grow your business and become very successful as a businessman, and also become a better person. So I give you tips and strategies and habits on how to grow and be a better person also. And in the near future, guys, I'm going to have interviews on there where I'm going to be interviewing people that are very successful in the business, in all types of business industries. And also very soon, I'm going to have a YouTube channel that's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow, where you can go there and listen to the podcast show. And also I'm going to have other videos about personal finance and personal development. So that's going to come soon. So might be the next video. I'll be directing you guys to the YouTube channel. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Remember to type that code word that popped up here in this video so you can get a chance to win this free money when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So don't forget to type that down in the comments. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.